Today's lesson, we are changing this from this stock filter to a high flow filter setup and then putting in braided lines today. So I'm getting started. I'm going to cut here with this, then put the hardline banjo, which is actually this side is locked. Okay, so we got your lines here. About to drop one of the connections here, but basically what happens is these holes get cut. Let's see, which one is it? Should be the clear one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. So this is a 5/8 adapter. This is going to be for the return with a hard line. How this works is, and the reason why I went with this is what makes it so painless. Okay. I used to use these at work on vinyl lines, but it makes sense to do this so it's less headache. So this right here, this ferrule, is what slips on the line. You basically slip this ferrule on the line, you put this in here, just like that, right? It goes in. As you put this on and tighten it up, it'll flare the line and you're all done. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to cut this and then I'll get back to it. All right.